let's just smile today.
他社と比較してとか、
Instead of comparing the new fit to competitors in the same class, our focus was on designing a comfortable lifestyle for our customers. To the extent that the city's scenery takes on a slightly different look, we aim to make people's daily life pleasant and comfortable. Instead of pursuing newness or numbers, this time we work to enhance areas that can be felt with the 5 human senses. Normally, cars are designed in line with a grand motif. But this time, we first created a space that was most comforting to the occupants, and the exterior design followed. An exterior aligned to the interior. This was a process that led us to our goal, a car that not only is easy to use but has beauty. Our primary focus was constantly on how to create an interior that could reach this level of beauty. The brand new Fit features 4 types of comfort.
Firstly, a comfortable field of view. I wanted to improve the view with the thinner pillars. And I decided to go for the thinner than the other models so far. This way, the drivers can feel that the car is clearly different from the ones in the past. We adopted a newly developed seats for the front. Seating surface that connects through the back support all the way, securing customers in comfort. Well-formed seat geometry will not divide the front and rear cabin space, instead facilitating conversation amongst people inside. I have prepared utilities to keep a variety of small stuff used in the car. We designed them so that people can naturally grab and use them by spontaneous movements in the way that their motion may look beautiful too. I designed a new hybrid system that is small, lightweight, and high performance for this new Fit. I tried to offer variation so that customers can enjoy making choices based on their own sensitivity. A new Fit that fits everyone in it with comfort.
New Fit